Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rom and for today's video, ang i-share ko naman sa inyo ay kung paano i-hide yung mga following mo sa TikTok. So, as you can see, meron pa akong following na 96 na ang dami, di ba? So, punta lang kayo dun sa pinaka-home mo, profile account mo, punta ka lang dun sa tatlong lines, yan, sa upper right corner. And then, tap mo lang yon and then, tap mo lang yung setting and privacy. And then, tap mo lang yung privacy, then scroll mo lang until you see the following list. Then as you can see, naka for everyone siya. So tap mo lang din yon. So yeah, meron siyang choices for only you and for everyone. Pag only you, ikaw lang makakita ng mga followings mo. Pag for everyone, so anyone can see your following list. So here, tap mo lang siya and then X mo lang and then back mo lang doon. So yan, nakaset na yung ano mo, yung naka-only yun na yung following list mo. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.